The new generation of Samsung Neo QLED TVs is here, giving you so much more than amazing picture and sound quality. Its anti-reflection technology reduces glare and cuts out annoying distractions, so you are never going to miss a thing come day or night. Plus, with its ultra-wide viewing angles, you get amazing pictures no matter where you sit. Gaming on this TV is epic with up to 4K 144Hz motion, which cuts out the jitters, blurs and screen tearing. Your favourite games look and feel awesome, letting you conquer your enemies with lightning fast motion. It's hard to get cinematic sound at home, but this Samsung TV has got tech to make that happen. The 8 speakers on the TV work with Dolby Atmos for amazing audio quality, creating sounds that move with the action. So whether it's a swelling soundtrack, huge explosion or a quiet whisper, you're really gonna hear the difference. If you'd like more info about this Samsung Neo QLED TV, you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.